Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I get a wet look for my hair. This is my hairline, JLS Diamond Boutique. This is our deep wave. I'm going to show you all how I get my wet and wavy. If you're interested in purchasing some hair, you can email me and let me know about your inquiry in the description box below. I have my email where you can contact me. I like to use Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream, Eco Styler Gel, Black Seed Oil and Coconut Oil Mousse, 2 combs, and a brush. This whole unit right here is a closure. I customize the closure myself. I also make wigs if you're interested, so you can hit me up in the description box below. What I like to do is work in sections. First product that I'm going to be putting in my hair is going to be the Cantu. Just get like that much. Work from here on down with the Cantu. And you can already see, as soon as I put it on, the curls start forming. Because this is great quality hair. So you can see already. So that just helps the curls clump together a little bit better. If I had like a wig brush, I could make them clump together even more, but I like my finger curls. I want to make sure I get this part under here because that's going to be touching my shirt and it gets frizzy. So rubbing up against my shirt the most, it will tend to get frizzy. So this is what it looked like before, and then this is after the Cantu. I like my curls to last longer throughout the day. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some mousse. So I'm gonna take my brush and just brush and smooth that out. And as you can see, it starts to shine. It gives that healthy curly hair look. Go in with the Eco Styler Gel to make the curls form a little bit better. So, and Eco Styler Gel doesn't make my hair stiff. It just holds the curls in place. So I'm gonna work that all the way through. Cantu. More. And smooth it down. Excuse my glasses. I don't know why they keep falling off my face. I need to get new ones, I guess. But, and then just work that through. Over here. Very flowy. This is how I get my wet and wavy look on my deep wave hair. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. New videos coming soon. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.